Hello friends, today we will discuss some important current affair questions related with India and China. So let's start it. First one is, which of these viruses did not start in China? A. HIV, B. SARS, C. Coronavirus या COVID-19, D. None of these. Right answer is A. HIV. HIV is human immunodeficiency virus originated in human primates in Central and West Africa. So let's discuss other points also. SARS, that is your severe acute respiratory syndrome. It is identified in 2003. It thought to be an animal virus from a yet animal reservoir, perhaps bat, that spread to animal. It affected 26 countries and resulted in more than 8,000 cases in 2003. Coronavirus, that is your first case, was detected in Wuhan City, China, late December 2019. Whole world affected due to this virus. Next is, what company could be considered China's version of Amazon.com? A. Sinopec, B. Foxconn, C. Alibaba, D. None of these. Right answer is C. Alibaba. This is your internal e-commerce company, and that is used to sell and purchase of products from consumer to consumer, business to business, and consumer to business. Next is, which of the following Indian state does not share a border with China? A. Sikkim, B. Assam, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Uttarakhand. Right answer is B. Assam, because Assam shares its boundary with Bhutan. Next is, what is the name of the line between India and China border? A. Radcliffe Line, B. Durand Line, C. McMahon Line, D. Silent Line. Right answer is C. McMahon Line. McMahon Line was drawn by Sir Henry McMahon in consultation with Tibetan representative in 1914. And Radcliffe Line is in between India and Pakistan. Durand Line is between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Next is, which of the following country has the longest border with India? A. China, B. Bangladesh, C. Pakistan, D. Nepal. Right answer is B. Bangladesh. Its distance is 4,096 km, and while it shares 1,751 km border with Nepal. Next is, when India fought the deadliest war? A. 1947, B. 1971, C. 1995, D. 1962. Right answer is D. 1962. It is also known as Sino-Indian War. It was a conflict between India and China. A Chinese dispute Himalayan border was the main cause of this war. Next is, which force take care of the land border of India against China? A. Border Security Force, B. Sastra Seema Bal, D. Indo-Tibetan Border Police and Special Frontier Force, D. Central Reserve Police Force. Right answer is C. Indo-Tibetan Border Police and Special Frontier Force means ITBP. So let's discuss others also. BSF take care us in India Pak border and India Bangladesh border. SSB Shastra Seema Bal, it protects us in Indo-Nepal border and Indo-Bhutan border. ITBP, as we discussed, India-China border. CRPF, Indo-Pak border. Next is Wagah border exists between A. India and Pakistan, B. India and China, C. India and Afghanistan, D. India and Nepal. Right answer is A. India and Pakistan. Wagah border is located in Wagah village, that is 600 meter west of the border, lies between Amritsar and Lahore. It lies in 24 km in Amritsar and 32 km in Lahore. Next is, what is the length of the border that India shares with China? A. 3400 km, B. 3450 km, C. 3488 km, D. 3490 km. Right answer is C. 3488 km. Next is, where is Galwan Valley located? A. Ladakh, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Nepal. Right answer is A. Ladakh. Next is, which country operationalized the world's largest radio telescope? A. USA, B. China, C. Russia, D. India. Right answer is B. China. It is world's largest single dish radio telescope, is now fully operational, known as FAST, FAST, is the world's most sensitive listening device. Next is, what is the capital of China? A. Beijing, B. Seoul, C. Shanghai, D. Kathmandu. Right answer is A. Beijing. Next is, what is the official full name of China? A. People's Republic of China, B. United States of China, C. Kingdom of China, D. Empire of China. Right answer is A. People's Republic of China. Next is, with which country does India share its longest land border? A. China, B. Bhutan, C. Nepal, D. Bangladesh. Right answer is D. Bangladesh. Next is, what is the rank of India in terms of military expenditure? A. 9th, B. 10th, C. 11th, D. 13th. Right answer is A. 9th, means India spent 53% of its expenditure on military or defense. So please like and share my channel and subscribe it, and thank you so much. Have a nice day.